We exist in an interesting space, sort of going back to Mike's comments, sort of at the beginning of that create cycle. Warehousing and manufacturing spaces, indoor spaces, where a lot of the supply chain activities start, that are ultimately delivered to the consumer world. And warehousing has been a very interesting space overall, as some compatriots of mine would know. We were sort of in the wireless 802.11 space before anyone even knew what a hotspot was, much less Wi-Fi. So some interesting technologies come out of there. TotalTrax has been in the telematics business within the four walls of warehousing and manufacturing for something over 25 years, and it's sort of interesting to see that all now in some ways rebranded as IoT. But what we do is we instrument forklifts in industrial vehicles for telematics to detect all manner of things regarding that assist customers in their objectives of safety, productivity, utilization of their fleets, and so on. We have integrated systems with partners such as Swisslog and others that do actual real-time location. We have a patented system, for instance, indoors, that can get you accurate positioning down to within an inch. Okay, X, Y, and Z coordinates, so we can tell you exactly where that load you set down or picked up is, regardless of whatever the label of the space says it is. But more importantly, our philosophy about all of this, the telematics and the rest of it, is that it serves to provide data and serves to provide a pipeline of analytics and ability to provide some actionable insights and some results. So to do that, we have these systems I illustrated that provide great solutions for increasing driver safety, productivity, utilization of your fleet, interactions with autonomous vehicles in the industrial space. There's another place where warehousing and manufacturing has been sort of out in advance. There have been autonomous vehicles in warehousing and manufacturing for decades now. The problem set is a little more constrained and defined, but some of the dynamics that we see here emerging into the consumer space have existed in warehousing and manufacturing for quite some time. So we do some things to produce productivity and return on investment in those spaces. As I said, our view of all this is the hardware exists, the sensors exist really to provide a pipeline of data that you can then dig into and provide analytics and insight to improve your operations, actionable business intelligence, if you will. And so we have multiple value drivers that are focused on those, that path to actionable insights. And the other thing that I think we find is a big dynamic going on in this space now is integration with a variety of previously siloed systems in the space. If you will, these partnerships are emerging in that space that Mike alludes to will need to occur in the supply chain side overall, where we're interacting with and feeding data on operator productivities into labor management systems, product location and such with warehouse management.